Okay, guys, nandito tayo sa likod. Okay, andoon yung stage. Nandito tayo sa likod. Nagpunta tayo dito sa likod. Ito yung mga contingencies. Diyos ko, alam mo bang maputik dito? Ano ba yan? Maputik dito. So, ayan. Andito na yung mga katatapos pa lang mag-perform. Hindi na kita haluyo. So, yun. Hindi na kita access. Ayun, oh. Mga nag-perform yan ala. Alang-alang. So, ganito. Sugar hituhin niya nakakuan ka stage. Amin na play yung backstage. So, ano yan, pagod kapoy. Guys, yung kapoy kay grabe yung performance. Ang ganda. So, ano yung mga santo niya. Ayan. Nasa. Galing. So, ito nga pa lang. Kasi ayan, nagpipicture ng buyog. This is ang buyog. Buyog, nagpipicture nila. Ganda. Dito tayo sa likod. This is backstage. Ada Luyo. Dito pala Luyo. Pare pa inihira. Amoy hirot last. Good luck. Amoy hirot last. Last contingent.
Malaban. Maray body man na.
Ayan. Okay. So, ito pa. Anhi, ano rin pa mag-perform. So, ato naman, nag-andam na. Performers. Anhi, one. Mga wala pa mag-perform at nag-perform. So, yeah. So, di kita backstage. Yun. Eto na. Javier na yata ito. Javier. It's Javier. Yun ma-perform yan na Javier. So, amit backstage, tikat the stage. That's the stage. At mga tao dito. Okay, so grabe. Ayan, Luyo.
The consequences of neglecting environmental conservation. The natives of Barrio Bugo, facing the calamity, turned to their gods or Amigo and sought the intervention of their pagan press or Babaylan to alleviate their suffering, but their prayers went unanswered. Upon Professor Daniel Javier's return to the devastated village, we witnessed firsthand the natives' plight. Being an involved Catholic from Cebu,
so backstage tayo, guys. Ayun.
Rosilio Santo Niño, aiming to offer them service.
Magkirita ito.
These introductions did cause division among the villagers, with families that to embrace the new faith Through the intervention of the Holy Child, rain eventually fell,
So, yun.
prompting even the
Many guys.
doubters to be amazed by the strength.
Okay, so this is Pintados Kasadyan Festival 2024. Okay, bye guys!
Unanswered prayers that brought rain, the natives of Barrio Bugho